There is no subject so old that something new cannot be said about it, meaning there has actually been no subject, theory, knowledge, or branch of study in the world about which something or another has not been said, about which something still cannot be said, that's fresh, unsaid, unheard, unseen, and something that's obviously new, fresh, enlightening, wise, intelligent, critical about itself, no matter how old the subject is, no matter where it comes from, or where it belongs to, or how many people have engaged in it, studied it, basically provided or made theories and knowledges on it, but still there is room for further study of it. There is always something available about the subject itself and also in the human psyche and mind, with the use of which, by the understanding and recognition and realization of the gap between ourselves as well as the subjects that we're studying, also that has been said and studied before, we can definitely arrive at something that just has not been discovered, explore, said something about the subject, and then we can say that which we feel exactly is right, appropriate, authentic, distinct, and unheard of, and we can say that that just has not been said by the others ever before, that just has not been explored, discovered by anyone in the world about that particular subject ever before, and we can say that. And that means there is always something that remains undiscovered, unexplored, untouched about almost everything in the world. And it's not just about subjects knowledge, but also places, regions, societies, forests, phenomena, animals, species, instincts, and essentially everything else lies in mystery about the world. It seems as though the more and more we have within ourselves, the more crises, anxiety, trouble we feel for the external world, for outside achievement, possession of more of it, and the more and more knowledge we invent and we know about the world, the more mystery we seem to descend in, or the external world and obviously the oceans seem to descend into more and more mystery and saga as if nothing has ever been known, discovered, or explored about them. At least it seems that way, because there is obviously much more to be known about, that is infinity. Because we do not still know as to how many species, animals are still there in the ocean, in the forests. So the more knowledge we gather and we invent about ourselves, about our biology, evolution, as well as about the external world forests, the more mystery to which it declines, the more it descends into chaos, confusion, perplexity, and disadvantage.